Founded in 1869 by Ernest Leitz and located in Wetzlar, Germany, Leica Camera AG is known for manufacturing precision optical instruments. A burnishing tool is used to smooth and polish the surface of the camera body, ensuring that the camera has a high-quality finish, free from any imperfections. Many Leica camera models, including the Leica M series, have a durable body made from a lightweight magnesium alloy, which improves their strength and portability. Magnesium offers an excellent strength-to-weight ratio, which provides durability and keeps the camera relatively light. CMOS, complementary metal oxide semiconductor, sensors undergo rigorous testing and meticulous assembly to ensure high-quality image and reliability in Leica cameras. Skilled technicians meticulously hand-assemble each camera in an organized assembling area, ensuring attention to detail and upholding the brand's commitment to excellence. A handheld electric screwdriver ensures consistent torque application across different components, reducing the risk of human error associated with manual tightening. Advanced precision machinery is used in manufacturing of Leica cameras to ensure that each component is meticulously crafted for optimal performance and dependability. A sensor cleaning swab is used during assembly to clean the sensor, ensuring it is free of dust and contamination that could affect image quality. Real-time data monitoring systems track every step of Leica camera production, identifying potential issues and ensuring consistent quality across all manufacturing stages. Cleanroom environments are maintained in the assembling area, preventing dust and contaminants from affecting the internal components during production. A precision alignment tool is utilized to make precise adjustment to the delicate components within the Leica camera. Technicians wear protective gloves to ensure contaminant-free components and maintain high standards of cleanliness and quality. High-capacity magnifying glasses enable technicians to verify that internal camera components' quality standards during assembly. Advanced laser technology is used in the manufacturing of Leica cameras, enabling precise engraving and cutting of various material. Specialized climate control systems regulate temperature and humidity in the Leica camera assembly area, ensuring optimal conditions for sensitive electronic components. Calibration instruments ensure precision and accuracy, verifying each component's alignment and performance to maintain the highest standards of quality. Skilled technicians use specialized tools to apply adhesive and carefully attach the leather covering, ensuring a precise fit and seamless integration on the camera body. Skilled technicians meticulously hand-adhere to the leather covering, enhancing camera durability and aesthetic appeal while upholding the brand's high-quality standards. With care and precision, the technician applies a durable, non-slip covering to the sides of the camera body, ensuring a secure grip and enhanced user experience. During assembly, technicians continuously and meticulously clean each component of the camera to remove dust and debris, ensuring optimal performance and quality. Leica launched its first practical 35mm camera, the Leica, in 1925, and this model was notable for its use of 35mm film, which became standard in photography. Technicians carefully affix the Leica logo to the camera body, ensuring the precise placement and reflecting the brand's dedication to quality and craftsmanship throughout production. Leica cameras undergo rigorous quality tests, including performance evaluations and precision inspections, to ensure each unit meets top quality standards. Advanced autofocus systems in Leica cameras ensure precise and rapid focusing, enhancing the overall photographic experience while maintaining image excellence.